guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a very special video with an extremely amazing and special guest, Kristie Romanos, one of the owners and the creative directors of Esposa Couture. And she helped me find not just one wedding dress, like many wedding dresses.
That's
the
true.
Dress that made me cry.
That's true.
I wanted to bring her on today to talk about everything that she's passionate about and also to help you guys find your dream wedding dress. She has so much experience, so many tips for you guys. Like, I don't know about everyone else, but I think every bride's nightmare is finding the dress. Like, as soon as I got engaged, I was like, the dress, and I was so nervous. Welcome, and I'm so happy to have you. I would love if you could share a little bit about your background just really quickly. I mean, I didn't know that the company is run by you and your sisters. That's so exciting.
The company Esposa Group, we started 35 years ago with my parents, and now it's run by me and my two other sisters.
Do you guys fight a lot?
Yes, of course.
Me and my sisters, like, we fight a lot too. It makes it
It's not easy, you know, to work
It's
as
not
sisters
easy.
in one business.
No,
Yeah,
it's
it's
not.
also fun.
That's amazing. That you have many branches, right? Like, I've only been to your Dubai branch, but you have a few others as well.
Yes,
right?
we have two branches in Dubai. We have two in Lebanon, and now we're opening the one up Riyadh.
Here, I had never found a selection like Esposa. Like, when I went to your shop, I was like, felt like the weight was lifted off my shoulders, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna find something.
Yes, because we have a big assortment and we have mostly all the brands of the bridal industry.
Yeah.
And also we have our own atelier, Esposa Couture, so you can also create whatever is...
Which you did for me.
Yeah.
So I just want to know from your side, what are the top 5 tips that you have for a bride as soon as she gets engaged?
First of all, she needs to start doing her own research to get the feel of what she wants. The best thing is to do a Pinterest, you know, a mood board on Pinterest. Yeah.
That helped a lot.
Yeah.
Like, I remember just looking for so many dresses, and like I tried to find girls with similar bodies to mine too. So I was like, what looks good on them?
So you will gather all the information you want, all the wedding styles you like, the mood board, the theme, in one, and then you can share it with all the suppliers. Most important, the bride should come very well prepared and not blind, you know, like she doesn't know what she wants. Like, at least give us a feel of the theme, the wedding, have a wedding date, have a venue, have a specific budget. This will help the stylist eliminate the options.
What do you think is the biggest mistake that brides make?
They have a specific picture in their head, and they are coming just to find this specific dress. I would suggest and I would recommend every bride to be a bit more easygoing, to be flexible with the consultant and the stylist, to hear her more, to try more dresses from our collection, even if this is not her style, but once you try it on, you will get another perspective. She needs to feel the fabric, she needs to see color, style on her body skin.
What is the most common question that you get from women when they come to your boutique?
So we got a lot of questions due after the pandemic if we are selling online. And yes, we are.
Oh my God,
yes,
you are?
You'll be amazed. You'll be amazed how many brides just Brides
are buying online.
Yeah, they bought their wedding dress online.
That is courageous.
Yes, they were not able to travel and they had to do a very small wedding, so they needed a wedding dress.
Wow.
So we started by doing a Zoom call with them, checking what they liked. They would share their Pinterest, the mood board, the budget, and we will choose like 5-6 dresses. We will put them on the mannequin. We'll open a video call with her. We'll show her the details, the embroidery, everything. And then she will send her a measuring sheet. She will take her measurements along with the tailor to help her. We will have an idea about her body shape, her skin tone, everything, and resizing it based on her measurements.
How do you resize it though? Like, do they do anything in store, or is it all online?
In store, so we do it in store. So she sends us across her measurements. We do the resizing in store, and then we ship it to her directly.
And that's it.
And then once it arrives, she will try it on, and we will have a tailor. Like in Saudi Arabia, we have a tailor. In Kuwait, we have a tailor. In Egypt, we have a tailor. She will visit her, and she will make sure that the dress fits her perfectly.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that must be so complicated.
Well, actually, I thought so, but it was super easy.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it easier than when they come in store? Because it's like less drama?
It's less drama, exactly.
Because like everybody becomes a little bit bridezilla-ish. Like even me, I'm like a very calm, easygoing person, but I had moments where I was like, oh my God, I'm a bridezilla. What advice do you have for a bride who's maybe like a little bit self-conscious about like her body parts? Like maybe, you know, maybe she feels overweight, maybe she feels underweight, maybe she feels like self-conscious about her boobs. Like, what advice do you have?
In a wedding dress, you might be insecure of your upper part, waist or anything, but in a wedding dress, definitely nothing will show. We can hide them in a very, very, very artistic way and in a very couture way. Most important is just don't emphasize on your insecurity. Exactly.
What is the craziest color dress anyone ever wore? Like, does it have to be white? Can it be glitter? Can it be like blue? Can it be...
Actually, it can be glitter, of course. I had a lot of brides where mainly the dress was off-white and then they introduced colors like purple, blue, green, like
That's interesting.
in the embroidery and in the flowers.
Another question we got was about plus size. Do you guys have plus size dresses? What do you offer?
We do have a big collection for the plus sizes. There are specific styles which fits plus sizes. Will make them feel happy about their body shape.
I think it's so important because everybody wants to feel a queen in a wedding dress. Like
Of
that's the
course.
one day where everybody wants to feel like, I think every day people want to feel like a queen. Like I definitely do, but on your wedding day especially, like you.
Of course, you have been dreaming about this
Exactly.
day.
What do you do for brides who are on a budget?
She should come with a specific budget, and we can work on it. We can change the fabric. We can make less beading. We have more than 18 brands, so she will definitely find her dream dress in any of the brands.
And even a specific tour as well, because then you can customize something, like pull inspiration from many different dresses.
I can do customization, depends on her budget. So we will play a bit about the beading, about the material.
What is like the most affordable dress you have and the most expensive dress?
We start by 10,000 dirham, which is like $2,500. We go up to 350,000 dirham, which is almost $100,000 for the couture.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I want to talk about a really important concept you guys created called We Do, which is all about giving people more options and even more budget-friendly option where people can rent or buy a secondhand dress. What made you start this concept and why is it important to you?
Actually, we thought about it right after the pandemic when we saw like really all the industries and the fashion, they are limiting their production of the fabrics for the sustainability. So we thought about why don't we reuse all the wedding dresses of all our clients and do something good about it. So, or we can present them for our clients online. They can rent it or buy it in all the GCC. We are shocked about that. We got a lot of clients who are donating their dresses.
That's so cool.
So we are donating them to other countries, like in Africa. There we had one client who was interested in opening a bridal shop. So we shipped for her more than 200 wedding dresses, which were donated by clients and by Esposa Group, where she opened her store and she is giving free wedding dress for the people.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
What is enough time? The wedding is planned in like 6 months. When should they go wedding dress shopping?
At least 6 months ahead.
6 months ahead?
Yeah.
Wow.
She should come 6 months ahead in case she wants to do any custom made. She has enough time. In case you want to order a dress from a specific brand, it takes at least 4 to 6 months to order a dress.
That's crazy. What if they like gain weight, lose weight, body changes? What happens?
This is very normal, you know, with the stress, or she will gain weight or she will lose weight. So basically we do usually all the fittings at the end, like 3 weeks before the wedding, and we do the whole retouch, and then she tries it again like a week before her wedding to make sure that it fits for her.
What happens in situations where the bride or groom cancels their wedding? Because I'm sure you got these runaway brides all the time. I'm sure it happens often, right?
Yeah.
I can only imagine.
Of course, and it happened a lot during the pandemic. So whenever you buy an item, that you just bought it, we can't do anything else. So what we were doing is we were recommending the bride to take the dress, and whenever she will decide on another wedding date, she will bring it back and we'll do the whole iteration. Even if she wants to modify it with another style, another theme, we can help her out for her not to lose the money.
Right.
Or we were helping them also sell it online.
So tell me, how is it working with me as a bride? Spill the tea!
Actually, it was amazing.
Really?
It was,
That's what I wanted to hear.
It was amazing because you were very well prepared with the mood board and Pinterest. You really knew what you wanted to show from your body shape and the style you wanted. You know, you wanted something simple but yet elegant and classy and glam for your big day.
So what emotion is it that you feel every time you see a bride find her dream dress? It's the one, you know, she's emotional, she's touched, maybe she's crying, maybe I cried. I couldn't believe it. I was like, stop it. Stop saying I'm crying, then it made me cry more. I was like,
That's the best feeling.
It is.
You know?
How does it make you feel?
It's the best feeling because you would like, I have achieved, like we have found her dream dress, you know, it's the best feeling.
Do you get like goosebumps as well?
Like we were gonna cry, all of us.
I know, I saw that. I was like, I was so emotional because I saw you guys being emotional too, and it made me even more emotional. I was like, oh, there's too much estrogen in here. We need to air out the room. I was like, somebody play Nicki Minaj, quick. Like, I can't be this like soft. Do you have any like more tips, any like words of wisdom to any girls watching?
Just try to find your dress that describes your personality, not like what the people want, what you really want.
And I actually feel like the one that we selected together, the Vera Esposa Custom, encapsulated my personality. And everybody who saw that dress was like, this is Mona.
Yeah.
You know, and I know I had multiple dresses, but that was the one where everybody was like, wow, this is like literally who you are. Thank you, Kristie, for everything. It's such a pleasure having you.
You too.
Love you so much. And again, guys, please make sure you go check them out, give them some love, follow them, like, comment, show them love, ask them questions, DM them all your questions. They're amazing. They have so much knowledge and so many experts, and every person who works at Esposa is full of passion. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye. See you.